What's up, guys? So today we're looking at a lighter case or lighter armor. More specifically, this is the THYRM PyroVolt lighter armor. All right, so what this does is it replaces your Zippo case. All right, when I did my little series on the Zippo gasket, I bought those two brand new Zippos. This was one of them. The second the testing was over, I took the insert out. I refilled it one time and put it into this THYRM PyroVolt. And it's been working ever since. It still has fluid. It still works. So I will say that this is definitely a solution to your Zippo leaking, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna get into why I don't like it. There's literally only two reasons. Two reasons I don't like it. So the first one is, yes, it is a solution to your Zippos from leaking, but it's no longer a Zippo. All right, just because it has the insert, it loses everything I like about a Zippo. The feel, the look, the sound, everything. It's gone. It's a brand new lighter. So with that, I'll just say this. If you don't like your Zippo leaking fluid and you decide to do something like this, then you don't really need a Zippo. All right, there's probably hundreds, if not thousands of lighters, including something as simple as a throwaway Bic, all right, that's going to perform better than a Zippo as far as affordability, reliability, and not having to constantly fill the thing. All right, that's the one big downside we all know that Zippos have, is that you got to just keep filling them. But it's part of the allure, the smell, the sound, the look, the whole thing. So you lose that completely with this, all right, this solution. The only other thing I don't like about it, all right, is, and I'll show you one second. Let me show you how it works first so you can understand why I don't like it. There's this little lever here, all right? There's a pin that goes through and a spring. So it's spring loaded, which is very cool. And all you have to do is push down on this part here, which has some jimping, all right? And it pops open. Okay, so you can see how that works. It's just lifting, right? It's pivoting on the pin, lifting this, which allows the spring that is in the hinge to pop it open. I do like that, very cool. However, this is right in the way when sparking the wheel. You spark the wheel and you hit that. Very uncomfortable. Don't like that. All right. So as far as like design wise, that's a negative. It's not like a deal breaker for the lighter. The deal breaker for me is I lose again everything I like about a Zippo. So once I gut it and put it in this thing, it's just a Zippo-like lighter. And like I said, if you want an efficient lighter, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of other options for that. However, I will say this is 100% a solution to your fluid from evaporating, because this is completely sealed. There is an O-ring that goes all the way around here, right, separate from the hinge, so you do have a complete seal. And as mentioned, when I was done with the other testing, filled this up and it still works. So it has held all that fluid in there. All right, so it is certainly a solution, but that's the only reason I don't like it. I don't like it because I'm losing that entire feel. And you know, if I were to use this daily, this little thing getting in the way is just a little annoying. I'm not sure how you can change the design. I do like the fact that it pops open real easy, and most people might not even be bothered by that, but it's just too close proximity. It's just, no matter how you strike that wheel, you're always gonna rub into this. I don't think it's gonna like break off. This is pretty strong stuff. It says that it's a, you know, high heat, whatever it is, heat resistant polymer, all right? Obviously it's a lighter case that has to endure some heat. Overall, it's got a very kind of militant look to it, which is pretty cool. There's also a pocket clip on the back. I actually grabbed my range bag to show you this. It is supposed to be, you know, Molly and PALS compatible. Right, so you can see the clip on the back here. You can slide this in any kind of webbing. All right, so if you want to just have it sitting on a bag, it does hold relatively well. There is a little lip on the back here to prevent it from, you know, coming off easily, but obviously you can overcome that. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's just a totally separate thing. I would say if you're into a lot of military gear and stuff, you'd probably like this. It's, like I said, it is a solution. It is pretty cool. But if you're like, I don't know, as far as like survival, or if you're hiking, camping, doing wilderness stuff, there's still better options than a Zippo, okay? I just prefer the look and feel of a traditional Zippo. Everything about it. The stink, the sound, ooh, ooh. So anyway, if you guys were wondering though, this thing is pretty cool, nonetheless. Does not come with an insert or anything. So reminding you that you're not buying a lighter if you buy this, you're just buying a case, right? It's a lighter armor. What's also really cool though about this, and I would probably do this, instead of using a regular Zippo insert, this does obviously fit the aftermarket butane inserts, all right? So Vector makes them. I think Vector are a little bit better than like the Thunderbirds, but if you happen to have those butane inserts and they're just sitting around, you're not using them, this might be a cool combination. Throw one of those butane inserts here. In that case, you don't have to worry about it being sealed, other than maybe keeping it waterproof or something. That's really nice. That is a bonus as well. If this were to, drop into, a pond or something like that, you take it out, it'd have to dry out a little bit before you can actually use it. Whereas with a traditional insert from the Zippo or whatever you put in here, it will be, blocked off from the elements, okay, from getting wet. So that is an extra bonus, okay? It is better, I use the air quotes there, definitely better as far as, the original Zippo case. But, it is what it is. I think it's really, really cool. Just, it's a completely different thing. It's a totally different beast from a Zippo. I love my traditional Zippo, everything about it. This is a solution. It's just a different lighter at that point. That's all I'm saying. So of course you guys can give me your opinions on it, but I'm here to tell you it absolutely works 100%. It does create a seal. It is kind of cool. It is different. For a lot of the people into the EDC stuff, obviously you want to go traditional, the Zippo is the way to go. You want to be different, do something more tactical, I suppose. This is certainly tactical. That might be the better option for you. These are $30. Keep that in mind. This was $10 brand new, a very simple, basic, like stonewash finish Zippo. Obviously Zippos vary in prices depending on the case, but the inserts are all identical. So you figure, if you're buying a brand new Zippo to use an insert, $10 plus the $30 for the case. Now you get $40, for the lighter. But most people out there probably have an old Zippo. You can probably just steal the insert out. This does come in a couple different colors. This is the black. There's also a flat earth, which is a nice tan, khaki color. And there's also an olive drab green. All right, so whatever floats your boat. There are different colors there. Is it worth $30? Well, that's certainly up to you. For me, it's just a really cool, interesting, lighter product. But like I said, I'd rather have the Zippo fluid leak, to be honest. But anyway, big thank you to the person who sent this. I really do appreciate it. This is something I've actually known about for quite a long time, just never wanted to spend the $30 on it. Someone randomly sent it to me, which I do appreciate actually being able to try it. So let me know what you think down below, but I am here to tell you that it does work. My only actual issue with it is hitting this with your thumb when using it, all right? Besides that, it works fine. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.